Hey guys, welcome back to Sam 610. Today is Friday, November 5th, 2021, and it is time to cut my hair. Wow, I can't believe how much a haircut can make you feel like $1 million. It feels great, guys. I'm usually cutting my hair within the first week of the beginning of each month anyway. So I just wanted to take a couple of seconds to thank everybody for watching this vlog. This is vlog number 5, and I appreciate those who had stuck with me from the beginning of the vlog and to the end of the vlog. Now I do have 2 more vlogs yet to post before I actually end this series. So again, for those of you who stuck with me, thank you so much. I'm reading your comments, I'm replying to them. It's really keeping me motivated. And for those of you that had left my channel, had unsubscribed, you know, whatever, it is what it is. I can't make everybody happy. I'm doing my best, guys. So I wanted to do something a little bit different in this video and be a little bit more creative, since some of my other vlogs have been maybe a little bit boring for you. Hopefully they haven't been. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of this vlog. If you like the video, guys, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, guys, later.